Yeah.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here in the Jamaican restaurant with my Jamaican brothers.
Yeah.
And our Jamaican brother is helping men in Kenya. So there's a medicine. Should we call it a medicine?
Yes.
Yeah.
Tonic, herbal tonic.
It's
medicine.
A reproductive medicine. Reproductive.
It's a reproductive medicine.
Yeah.
So my Jamaican brother has brought a reproductive medicine in Kenya. So what does this one does basically?
To multiply the population.
Brother Romish, what is this one called again?
So big bamboo makumboro.
It is called Big Bamboo Makumboro.
Yeah.
So how does it help men? You say for reproduction.
You should have tell me. You should have tell me. Africa is come from your country.
Yeah.
So the guys them in the western.
They-
It's that herb grow wild in the forest.
Yeah, man.
And man no make this. It grow wild in the forest.
Organic.
It's organic.
Yeah.
So basically, like, it helps men like in reproductive.
Libido.
Yeah.
All libido.
Yeah.
Let us talk real talk. For
Yeah.
now, this is called reality talk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of man,
Yeah.
the things they eat,
Yeah.
their
Yeah.
organ get weak.
Now the bottle that I'm holding is herbal medicine made by my Jamaican brother to help men in Africa as far as reproductive health is concerned, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
This helps you to develop
Man.
that section, so you can have good sex with your woman.
This one.
Yes.
It's natural.
Yes.
Natural.
But you know what makes me happy is that, you know, I've been talking about Jamaicans.
Yeah.
And how you are creative and how you invent things.
Yeah.
My brother there from Jamaica is now helping Kenyan men.
With Kenya. With Kenya
That's just the
powder.
tip of the iceberg.
Yeah.
We have a lot more to offer. So tell your comrades,
Yeah.
invite us in and let us make music, man. Make
So-
melody.
Yeah.
Variety.
So pretty soon we will be having different flavors in this. This is our first flavor. Give thanks to Daddy Romish, Jam Tour
Yeah.
Yeah, the vegan
restaurant.
Jamaican.
The
Yes.
vegan Jamaican.
So can we say, like, basically this is like replacing Viagra?
Yeah.
Yes.
But Viagra
This is Viagra.
natural. It's like a
Natural.
natural.
This is a natural Viagra.
Yeah.
and longer lasting.
All right.
And longer lasting.
Yeah,
so
for
my
days,
Jamaican
for
brothers,
years to come.
you guys are replacing
So our advice to take this is take one a day for 7 days.
7 days.
So one every day. That's how I take it.
It's better.
So if I take
It's better
one for 7
before
days,
meal
Every day you take
or
one.
after meal.
Every day you take one and notice the difference. Even when you go home tonight or whenever.
yeah, man.
Makumbo.
Yeah, you see what you are doing?
Makumbo.
It's a good thing because let's be honest.
Yeah.
In marriage, especially right now, many marriages are like falling apart.
Because of?
Yeah.
Tell me.
Because of the main event.
What's the main event?
You know?
Alright,
Because of
cheers
the-
to the main event. All the wives, come and tell your husband
Yeah.
to pull up because we know women watching too. and you have
yeah.
your husband best interest, so tell them to pull
And
up.
also,
Yeah.
for the males that cannot get their woman or their wife pregnant,
Yeah.
we also have different juices and punches for that.
In
Yeah.
Jamaica,
We
call
have
it
different
roots.
tonic for all of what
Yeah.
your needs
In
are.
Jamaica, the supermarket full of roots. Yeah.
So,
Some baba roots. So much roots.
and I'm doing that
Black
here now
stallion,
in
all
Kenya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have one called Tan Pani Lang.
Yeah.
You know, Tan Pani Lang is like stay for a long,
long
time.
time.
Oh,
A
so
lot of
Pani
mine
Lang.
only
Yeah, that's a dialect
lasts
in
for
Jamaica.
1 minute.
can you say it again? Tan?
Tan Pani Lang.
No, stand, pan,
You want to pronounce
eat
it? Okay.
lang.
All right.
Pani
Stay on it long.
Oh, stay on it long.
Yeah.
Long, yeah.
So you're
Bro,
gonna
let me be
Don't
honest.
eat it
have
up.
a long
And
performance.
You're going to save a lot of marriages. I'm not lying
Yes.
to you.
No, don't,
This is
stay, don't
solution.
eat it
So
up.
we have
on
that.
it, not eat.
On
Stay on it.
You know? Yeah. So
Eat long.
we
Go
have
to
these
Jamaica.
Energizer. We have all of those. So
Yeah.
whenever you need, you call the boss.
Yeah.
Everything is with a simple cost.
And Bunty said cross.
Amazing.
Cross.
I'll tell my brother Ramesh.
Yeah.
Do you know if you I'm not saying you've not taken it seriously, but if you take this serious,
Of
It
course.
is serious.
this one is a very big, like you can save a lot
When you
of
have
people.
a soft landing, you act funny about it,
Yeah.
and then you push it.
Yeah.
So this is a soft
serious.
landing.
Because many people
Yeah.
really need this.
Of
Because you know,
course.
like, let's be honest, we are in a society where
Yeah.
people fear going public to talk about something.
Yeah.
And many people are suffering.
Suffering.
We will solve their needs
Yeah.
because Jamaica is the best people to keep your secret. We
Yeah.
keep all your secret. We
Yeah.
don't talk and tell other people.
Yeah, yeah.
Not only
What
Victoria.
we need you to do is
Secret.
go tell a friend. Hey,
Oh, you know something is
Check
Not
good.
only
that
Victoria's
person.
secret,
Oh, you know
we
it.
keep it.
Oh, you know
secret.
Oh, you know when something
Victoria's
is good.
Secret. Yeah.
Oh, you know when something is good, when you give somebody something and them try it, and you keep on a sip it.
Yo, you need to see him on his arm, bro.
It's very starting to
Oh, we
wake
don't
up.
have any. Look at that.
Yeah.
This guy is real Jamaican.
In fact, there's a place I went one day in a lift, like an elevator.
Yeah?
I was in Kilimani.
Yeah.
So there is a Kenyan lady. I'm also a Kenyan. We are both in the lift. And this lady has got a Jamaican flag. I
Every
also
day
got a
I see
Jamaican
it,
flag.
shocking.
And I was like, I asked her, are you a Jamaican? She said, no. Kenyan. I said, both of us are Kenyans. And we're having Jamaican
I
flag.
see so much on Jamaican
What?
sweater
Why
and shit. I'm like, what?
You know, it was like, and
It was like, I think we're from
something-
Mount Kenya, somewhere around here. I see a connection.
There's something
it's so,
about Jamaica.
Yeah.
And
Africa,
Kenya,
Africa,
special.
Africa has missed us.
Yeah, you're
Just
right.
Kenya.
It's
Yeah.
spiritual. It's spiritual.
We are the force of Africa. So
Even Traore sent a big heart-winding message to Jamaica
thank
the other
you,
day.
thank
I'm
you.
like, what?
yeah,
It's crazy, man.
because out of
It's
everybody,
crazy.
Jamaican
Hey.
go against America
Yeah,
for Troy.
yeah.
Hey.
Even in Olympic.
Yeah.
Even in Olympic, I was telling people, it's
Bro,
only
I see more
Jamaica.
Jamaican and Kenyan vlog in Kenya about track and field more than any. I'm
Jamaican
like,
and Kenyans are the closest because of our regime and our colonizer.
I thought it would be Ghana, but trust me.
No, it's
Kenya
not Ghana.
Kenya
It was
beat.
Kenya.
Kenya beat.
Because the British regime, the same regime in Jamaica, the same regime the British regime used to
it was
rule
an
Kenya.
English version.
Because we are the bad ones. So if they can control us,
Yeah.
they know how to
Yeah.
control Kenya because they are entrepreneur. And when you are entrepreneur, you are different from
Yeah.
other people.
Yeah.
You are independent, so
Anyway,
you're
big up
like
to Sean
bad.
Arwa.
You're self-made.
Thank you.
And I
So
even think,
Kenya
you see, when you
is
say,
known for
that you're the bad one, I think the term bad one was used to mislead
The
people.
good.
Of course,
Jamaicans,
thank
they don't
you.
Passionate,
conform.
you're passionate.
You're passionate.
Thank you.
Yeah,
And the media,
powerful too.
you get my
Thank
point.
you.
The
Yeah.
media wants to, like the I like put it, the elites.
Yeah.
They want to
Yes.
control people
Yeah.
with fear. You know, so you realize Jamaicans don't fear. So you're gonna say they're not good
the
people.
bad ones.
They're the bad
Yes.
ones. You get my point.
Wow.
I must be bust fear, not
So that's
I fear skin, but
Even during slavery, they used to say that the stubborn ones were taken to. They're not stubborn. They refused to
Nah.
be.
And this-
They refused to be colonized.
and this is history.
Yeah.
Did you know from the AU, not AU, from the OAU
OAU.
was in constellation, was constituted. Did you know that seat was for Jamaican? The seat that the people from the Bahamas has taken now, the Bajan, that seat was left by Kadamawi Haile Selassie
Hey.
for our Jamaican. And today, someone represent because I respect that Bajan leader. I respect her. So you see,
But what's her name again? Yeah, I know what you're talking
Motley.
about. Yeah. What's her name?
Or not Motley?
Motley.
Motley.
Hey, you know
Brother,
about her too.
brother.
Wow.
Yeah. Very powerful.
And
Saying that
listen,
it
she's
was
the
for
closest to
Jamaica.
Africa. Now they're doing a flight
she
straight
know,
from
she
Ghana,
know,
chartered flight.
but
to
she's a champion.
Barbados.
She's a champion.
She's a champion.
Only a champion
And
could take that seat. And make sure she hear this blog.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Now they're doing from Accra to Barbados a chartered flight. Of more to come. Because it's not that far, man.
Yeah.
Africa is getting bigger because the Saharan dust is reaching the Caribbean. Let's for argument's sake, but yeah,
Yeah.
we're really close.
So
What about Nigeria?
And I need
Jamaica?
direct flight, guys.
Nigeria?
I think there's something Nigeria was working on, like a direct.
Yeah, they do it, but
Yes.
they politics, but they're doing it.
because they're saying there's not as much people.
That's not
flying
true.
back and
Marketing can make
You know,
anything.
Ghana is more, people like to go.
Oh, Ghana is more.
Not only that, it's very close. It's like 3 hours. In between.
Yeah.
But It's about time, you know?
Yeah, African now. Tell me about the juice, you know. What you taste it? What you like?
All right,
You have a sense
Oh,
before
yeah, ask man and he done already.
So let's
Ask about the second bottle.
Yeah.
This is already done. But yo, no. But I hope you're going to Jamaica like Sean Arwa.
Yeah, that's my plan because
You're
You can't go without way.
I've got a lot of
Or we have
Jamaican
to put it
samples.
to somebody.
Yeah.
Sometimes I get
If you want to
depressed.
get views, just post Jamaican.
Yeah. Sometimes I get depressed. Not
Yeah.
depressed in a bad way.
Yeah.
But I'm like,
A direct
I've been
flight.
talking about Jamaica, but now I need to feel it.
the feel.
Yeah, to them
yeah.
about doing direct flight and you won't have that problem.
Yeah.
The direct flight is what we need.
All Africans are waiting Jamaican to help them.
Of course.
I don't know why.
And Jamaican kind of
but
waiting
it
on
is
Africans too.
to help
so there's
them.
a-
Yeah,
It is a
need.
collaboration.
It's
I
a need.
get
It's
you.
not a one-way thing.
Oh, it's like a
Everybody
two-way
want to go to the motherland.
Oh.
Everybody watch Demon. What you call them? African tiger.
Yeah.
Watch the videos and you when in
Oh.
Jamaica and see how the people are begging.
Yeah,
They
man.
want to come home, bro.
They wanna
wanna
come.
home.
Yeah, even on my
But
comment
there's
section.
They want to come
Yeah.
fucking home. It's not a
Yeah.
joke, man.
Nothing is said.
No, it's not set. It's not
So we
set.
need 200 hectares of land where we gonna
Yes.
do
And
everything
start a
on the land.
foundation, even 200 acres.
Yes.
And then we have a community. Then we spread the
Everything
wings.
we do,
'Cause when I
from
go
bees to the honey.
Yeah. Because when I go to like even Mombasa the other day and I see nothing is perfect but nature. But I realize the beach go 10
Thank
mile away and come back at night.
I come back.
Every day. And but we as
Every
human
day.
beings, we can't guarantee we're gonna even pay our bill.
Thank you.
But the beach make sure it does its
It does
own.
that.
The sun make sure it's
And
so
the sun
nature is
come up
perfect.
with-
So what it
Thank
talks
you.
of God is perfect. I think it's in nature. Not in us, but naturally the sun sets and the winter come, the sea go. How can the sea go so far and come back at night? Have no idea. These are things that
It's just mind-boggling.
And you never understand
Yeah.
because the think about is the bills.
Yeah, the things you are. Yeah.
That would be yes.
Like they are beyond our human understanding.
But when you as a tourist come and you see the beauty, when I went to Lake Naivasha and I see the zebra and stuff out there, I'm like, what? In their own island? Hey,
Yeah, man.
it's something
And
else.
in
man.
Ethiopia, you see the birds that are almost big like this
Yeah.
table. They come in front you and you give them a fish head. They just eat it like an animal.
Yeah, Africa.
Yeah.
Tell me about the juice, you know, man.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, so those who never heard us,
Hear what you mean.
I was saying
What about
how
the juice? I'll say juice done. Give me the next juice if you want.
it's called.
The juice is done, bro. What the hell, man? This came full of cock when the guy drink the juice.
Okay, before I go like our Jamaican brother, please explain it again. What is this exactly?
Talk the
Tell them.
name that
All right.
So we stay. Romish,
Yeah.
can
Alright,
you tell us
family.
the name of your juice?
Yeah.
Alright, so this juice was created, family, because now when I'm driving, I see the guys selling these sticks on the streets.
Yeah,
So I started to inquire about it. And I say, oh, it's these guys from the Western, they use it and they're very romantic and stuff. So I say, hey, romantic, me want to be romantic too. And you know, so I herbs from Dr. Sebi coming and stuff. So I started to say, yeah, my research is herbs. So I started to take it too. And since me have the restaurant now, I say, I need to make a recipe out of it.
Yeah.
So I buy an entire, like a wholesale, whole heap.
Yes.
I mean, blend it up and put my secret recipe and sauce in it and come up with this. And when I start drink it, I start notice a whole lot of difference.
And tell them what's
you know what I
the
mean?
name of this.
So it's Big Bamboo Mokumboro.
Big bamboo
big.
Okumboro.
Big Bamboo.
Bamboo.
Yeah.
Makumboro.
What is the main purpose? We
The main purpose.
The main purpose.
Alright, so the main purpose is that it's just a general men health tonic. You know, man, as a prostate, you have your private part. You have to take care of that. That's very important. So it's just an herb that grow wild in the forest. And actually, as a man, if you take it,
Stimulant.
you're gonna see a whole lot of
Also stimulant.
You're gonna see a whole lot of difference in your whole body. Like you go to the gym, you find you can endure longer. You find you know what I mean? They start to, you know, it kind of boost your testosterone,
Stamina.
stamina,
Also stamina, strength.
strength,
So
so a
all
whole
the
lot of
additive,
stuff.
all the
Blood
additive
flow.
This one is good for
Coming from
your
a Rasta without
immune-
the locks.
Your immune. No, I just take off my locks. The world know me with locks.
Yeah.
From the heart.
So now, this one is good for your immune system.
Also immune system.
Immune system. Yeah. So it's a general men health tonic. So it actually is a complete tonic for your body as a
And
man.
just for a reference,
Yeah.
to me, Haile Selassie me follow. And when you look for Haile Selassie, you see him just like me.
Of course.
So
Even
me I
in
say-
the music videos.
Holy Eye, King Selassie,
Sure.
Jah,
Rastafari. One love.
So tell me what it tastes like. What it tastes now? Tell me.
It's sweet.
Sweet.
Shake it up. That's how you say
I have to
sweet.
shake it up.
Yeah,
It's
you know
sweet. And then there is, sorry.
A lingering taste.
Yeah, like a lingering taste.
Yeah.
There's a taste also live in your mouth.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you can feel, when you take it,
So
you also feel a bit like is it stimulated? There's a way you.
You feel it going
You
through
feel
your body.
lighter, like you're in control more. You know, your body is heavy after
Yeah.
a meal.
Yeah.
It still make you feel more free moving. You know, it gives it like a free flow. It's a
So,
free flow.
in short, this one can save a lot of marriages,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
sure.
because like what you said, like stamina
Uh-huh.
and men, like because yeah.
So all the adjectives of stamina: stimulating, boosting, mental. You know.
So from stimulating, you will have the other things to enhance.
Mental enhancement.
Yeah, this one to free up everything. So then, if you want to get your wife pregnant, talk to Jam Restaurant.
Talk to the vegan Jamaican.
Herbal.
Talk to the herbal man.
So these things, if you want to be a weightlifter and you want to see muscle,
yeah.
talk to Jam Tour. We have everything to give you in a drink.
Yeah, but
All
Ramesh,
comes in.
like I'm very proud of this.
medicine.
Yeah?
Your food is your medicine. So.
Oh yeah, so this is just like a medicine also, right?
Enhanced
Yeah.
medicine.
Because like right now the things we are eating being refrigerated, even the chicken, they're not like authentic. So there's a lot of
Baggages.
chemicals and
Mucus.
yeah. So my Jamaican brother, for real, like I saw this one, like you've been advertising it.
Yeah.
And this was also my main aim of coming here to test it. So for real-
Okay, so now you talk about track and field. That's where it's coming from.
Yeah. Oh,
yeah. So that's why we're so fast and adrenaline and everything.
So what you're doing in Kenya, I love it, and
It's a branching,
Yeah, it's
bridging. We're bridging the gap.
yeah. So I think what you can also do more advertisement as much as can.
Yeah, I'm
because
gonna get a
many
label
people-
to put on it.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I'm gonna actually
Many people will really need this. I'm not lying to you.
Yeah.
We've got people, like in Africa.
They drink a lot of alcohol too.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
this
yeah.
will detoxify you.
Detoxify,
from
it can also detoxify you.
That's so true. Yeah, that's a good.
Yeah.
You have to
And
find the
also,
balance in life, family.
We're coming up with something for the feminine gender.
Yeah, of
It's
course.
here also, and we will have a punch soon for the ladies.
Yes.
A punch enhance their body regulation.
Reproduction.
Something that regulates their thank you.
Yeah.
So we will be having all these, and you will be seeing them with different names.
Yeah.
But just check the names and consult the doctor. And he
And I
will tell you.
love what you're doing because
Yeah.
like in Africa, let's be honest, we are somewhat conservative. So there are things people are suffering, but they don't talk about
Internally.
it. Yeah, internally.
I notice
You
it.
get my point?
For example, you like popcorn, but you would never play a popcorn song. But as soon as you hear popcorn, I like that.
Chop,
You know,
chop,
a Vibes Cartel too.
Yeah.
And deep down they want to be free, but they're like, my culture won't allow it.
That's the point.
And the tribe and all that stuff. So we
But
Yeah,
don't
so-
here for good reason.
this is why you see even a bald head like my brothers.
Yeah.
Their head is bald, but they say Rastafari.
Yes.
Because
Because they're wide
Rastafari bridge every gap.
Yes.
We are with Muslim, we are with Christians, you name
And
them.
love
So
is
it's
our
not
religion.
it's not a dreadlock thing.
It's not
Divine
a
perception of the heart.
dread.
This is not a
It's
dreadlock
covenant.
thing.
It's
Yeah.
not to show you that you're Rasta. It's a covenant. So
In
when
your
you take
consciousness.
on that, it's a burden.
And every religion is seeking one thing, and it's
Love.
love. So love is the universal language that we
get
try
you.
to preach. That will stop the war, the crime, and be your brother's keeper. Because we all have shortcomings, but if we have love, we'll figure it out. We'll remove mountains.
Oh, that's why one love.
One love.
Yeah, I see Jamaicans like saying one love.
Yeah.
So this is the end, and I had a good time with my Jamaican brothers. And here we are discussing how my brother from Jamaica has introduced, a herbal medicine that is very crucial in helping men as far as their reproductive system is concerned. And right now, many Kenyans are going for it because as we always say, that Jamaicans always leave a mark whenever or wherever they go. And right now in Kenya, my brother is doing a great job. So I had a fantastic discussion and meeting with my Jamaican brothers. It proves to me that the Marcus Garvey's dream of us coming together is coming to fruition, and we are one people. So we say one love and one love.